Hi everyone, welcome to StunnerShare. So today we are going to see a few of the Nifty analysis and also like the comments also we'll discuss over here. So firstly we'll discuss on which is asked as scientific, sequence scientific and one more. Sequence scientific. Okay, we'll go to daily chart and we will also use the monthly pivots, camera law, whatever is there. Okay, so yes, we are with this chart like this. If you want, you can just first of all close the pivots, and what you can do is that you can just go to monthly chart and see what is the structure of it. Okay, so this structure, like, see, if you could see, it was initially in a downtrend and later went for an uptrend and then came to an downtrend, and now will this uptrend go further or not? That will be the question what we are having for scientific sequence scientific. So what would be my analysis on a price action basis is that here if you see there is a divergence in price, okay, and the price has not made a lower low, so this is trying to make a higher low in a longer term picture, clear. And now whenever there is a upside and downside move happening, we might expect another upside move to happen, but for that to ensure we need to see whether higher high higher low formation is forming on a smaller trend. So when I go to the weekly chart, on the weekly chart I could see that the market is trying to make a higher high higher low structure, okay, and now it is in a decider mode. Okay, now whether it is going to go further high or bit go down, because here if you notice this is the lower higher low. Okay, if this low is getting broken, then we can see further downside, and also this looks like a small head and shoulders pattern, clear. So if this fails, or like this particular support fails, or like the inverted head and shoulders pattern breaks this particular support, then we can see further down. How much down we will be able to see? That is the question we will have. I would say that it can come towards this particular zone, because here I could see some supports has been taken and some consolidations is there. So if this particular low is broken, 107 is broken, then it can come towards 75 zone, or around 88 first support, 75 second support. If this zone is not broken, if it is going to reverse back, then any entry, ideal entry, I would say it is better to have above this high, because this means we are going to go for another higher low formation. So if this high is broken, then the possible levels are 203 and 264, and then finally it can go to 336 also. So first step, wait and see whether 106 is going to get broken or not. If it is getting broken, then next possible supports are 87 zone and 74 zone. So let us wait and watch how this is going to get reacted. But I would say 100, and if the candles are closing, or if the candles are moving above 155, then that will be the ideal scenario to go long, clear. So this is on the sequent scientific. Now let me check on one more. Actually, it has actually performed a lot, and I've also drawn some support zones. I don't know when I have done this. So initially, if you see on a higher time frame, on a like say weekly time frame, okay, people will be more specific on pivots. So let me check on the pivots as well. So monthly pivot, daily time frame. What does it say? It says the CPR is higher value, but the candles are opened below and closed below, and right now it is showing some bearishness. And we need to check how this is going to react, because this is called as a double pivot zone. Based on this double pivot zone activity, we can take any further action if you wanted to take a reversal. Otherwise, you need to wait for at least the close above the CPR for any long position. This is based on pivots. Now let me go back to Avenmore. Let me check on the weekly time frame first. Okay, weekly time frame, if you see, it was consolidating between these two ranges and finally gave a breakout, and that breakout came down here for a retest zone, and after retest it has given a clear breakout again. Okay, so what is expected right now? The risk reward ratio is not favoring us, clear. Right now the risk reward ratio is not favoring us, so I would wait for some consolidation, and then we can see whether any move is going to happen or not. With respect to pivots, Okay, higher value CPR, candles opened above the CPR, closed above the CPR. Now the candles has closed above the H4. So the possible move is towards 145. Okay, right now the possible movement which can happen on Avonmore is 145. So let us wait and watch on how this particular zone is going to taken out. And close below this zone of 115, we can again go to CPR, and we have to decide what is going to happen after a close below. Till for now, the expected level is a 144, but the risk reward is not favoring for Avonmore. Clear? So how to find this volume scanner and also how to use it. So we need some more time, because right now I have done some analysis on Nifty. Okay, and for backtesting video members, they have got 8 years of analysis on Nifty. Okay, 8 years of analysis on a customized on a different time frame. I have analyzed for them 8 years data from 2016, if I'm not wrong, 2016, 17, 18, like that. 8 years of data, 2022 data was uploaded today. So I would say wait for it. Let me get the feedback from the backtesting members as well. And also I have done for Nifty futures intraday time frame. Infosys also I have done part 1 part 2 video. Watch those videos and give me the feedback. And because that volume indicator, I have to explain a lot why or when the blue volume forms, why gray volume forms, all these I have to explain a lot, so it will take a lot of time. So volume indicator for now it will not be available for public. This is genuine channel, sincere presentation. Why I don't know missing views. All Telugu beginners following the YouTube channels in which no subject but marketing the courses. There is no days for good ones. I love very much this channel. Thank you. I am not sure of what is your name. Okay, SS in 9zo. That's what you have mentioned in the profile. But what I would say is like, see, I don't want to market the courses. The content what I am trying to educate here is someone has already written a book on that. No matter whether you listen to my content or not, you can simply go to his Secret of Pivot Boss book reading, and then you can get that book and read. So I don't mind anything with that. And why am I stick to that alone? Because see, to me, two people are really doing well. One, the pivot bus concepts I'm following, that is really good. So I feel like this has to be educated to all. Two, I see Mark Minervini also has done a tremendous work, and performance wise he's actually has done good. For Frank Ochoa, I have not seen any performance related articles, but on Mark Minervini I've seen a lot of performance related articles. So comparing to both, for intraday, because see, we have to go with the retail mindset. I could see a lot of retail papers are most focused on the intraday, so that is why I am doing on pivots. I'm educating on pivots. Otherwise, I would not do pivots. I would go for Mark Minervini concepts, which is a swing trading opportunity where a lot of risk management is involved, lot of control is needed. Okay, stop loss management is needed, discipline is needed, and all this. And right now, I don't think so. People are right now right now people are not in that mindset. Only those are very much dedicated, they will go to Mark Minervini concepts. People those just want to trade and see what's happening, they will, obviously it is better you prefer pivots, because it will not give you much of losses. And still, if you still want to reduce your loss, you have to follow your risk management in a proper way. That is why I always say go for 1:1 or 1:2, reduce your risk. Lower risk is better, like that I used to say. So it is up to you. And marketing the courses, I don't have any courses. This is what. And why I that can be a question. Why do you have backtesting membership also? And for that, what I would say is like, see, I am putting a lot of efforts. Okay, 8 years of data, who will analyze? There are a lot of instruments right now in market. If someone knows coding, they can easily write a Python script and automate it and check whether the backtesting results are working fine or not. To get the backtest data and to upload to the API, you have to at least spend 7,000 to 10,000 rupees. Right now, with the help of TradingView, and I have 8 years of data, I'm just going to that 8 years 2016 data. I'm trying to check each and every chart. Okay, Nifty futures, each and every week I'm checking, and that is why I'm costing that. Otherwise, even I would say that forget about the backtest results. Whatever the results is going to come, forget about it. But the effort I put in to prove you that this is somewhat working correct. So if you manage a good proper risk reward, you will be able to achieve more. So that is what I'm trying to say in backtesting videos, and that is why I'm charging. Clear? Sir, Divya's 284. Sir, all your strategies are dimple. I think so, simple and effective. We need only patience for that one candle. Thank you. Good video, sir. Yes, obviously. you have to wait for that opportunity. Even for Infosys intraday analysis, if you check that video again, what happened is that when we are trading in Nifty futures, I said it is good that you go for 40 point stop loss. Don't go for more than 40 point stop loss, correct? And what is the price which Nifty is trading? Nifty is trading at 22,260. Okay, 22,260, 10% is 2,000. And if I go 1%, then 260. But I'm saying 40 points as stop loss. That means I'm not even considering 1% in Nifty. I'm considering below 0.5 percentage in Nifty. Okay, even 1% is 260, 222. Below like 0.5 percentage is going to be 110, and I'm considering 40. That means 0.25 percentage. Okay, let me go to calculator. 220, let me put it round into 0.25, which is 55. Okay, and divided by 100. Okay, which is 55. But I'm considering only 40. So that means 22,000 into 0.2. 0.2 maybe. 0.2 is what I'm considering. Yes. So 44 points is what I'm actually considering in Nifty. If the same concept, if I apply for Infosys, okay, in Infosys also assume that I'm going to apply the same concept. Right now Infosys is trading around 1,400 into 0.2, okay, divided by 100. So that means if your risk is 3 rupees, then go for the trade. If your risk is 3 rupees, then go for the trade. Okay, but I have not done that because getting 3 rupees risk in a particular day, it is not that easy. Okay, and you have to wait for months to get this opportunity. Okay, so what I would say is like go for, rather than going for 3 rupees risk, at least try for 6 rupees, 7 rupees risk and see how your trade is going on. Don't take 10 rupees risk, 15 rupees risk, because it is going to be 1% of the stock price, right? And you will not be ensuring that it can move 1%, 2% every day. Nifty can move this. See how Nifty has moved today. From 22,384, it has moved down to 22,154. 230 points, it has moved downside. From 22,154, it has moved to 22,485. Okay, 330 points, it has moved out upside. In between, lot of wild swings also happened. And if you check Infi stock, let's see Infi stock today. So Infi stock today, if you notice, the stock actually traded between the high and low of the day. Okay, between 35 points, 32 points or 28 points, the stock traded today. Okay, so that is why I say when you wanted to go for an opportunity, always go with low risk so that your reward will be sufficient enough for the day. Okay, so that's what you have to decide, how you wanted to go for the trade, how you wanted to trade. It is all up to you to decide how do you want to do it. Clear? And actually Jay Kumar, actually it's got rejected from POC 1 hour chart. Okay, so he said POC 1 hour chart Nifty. So Nifty today, what has happened? Actually Nifty came back. Okay, actually I don't know which one you are exactly saying. Maybe I have to shift to weekly, maybe. So if I shift to weekly, what has happened? Okay, yeah, okay, he is saying that it is rejected at the POC of the 1 hour chart. Yes, exactly, correct. You are correct, because it has faced resistance at Tuesday, faced resistance on Wednesday, and faced resistance on Thursday. But right now it has given a good close above this POC. I would say it can come towards a pullback at the POC level, and from that pullback it can still go upside. Okay, so that is what I see. Nifty futures, I don't think it will close below this 22,350 zone for this week. So let us see whether it is going to close or not. It's up to it. But good capture, good Jay Kumar, good. That was a good point to say. Thank you. So I think this particular content has gone for completely a theoretical view. So I will stop here, because there was few of the comments from my friends on the Telegram. They are saying that mostly those friends are from the Telegram channel only, because they are like, some people are like from the beginning they were there, nearly 2 to 3 years they are in touch with me, and they used to ping me personally. And what they have told is like, making 15-20 minutes video, sometimes they are saying that it is getting bored. So I decided that okay, I will make a short video. But even explaining this content, I think it has gone for more than 8 minutes, 10 minutes. I'm not exactly sure of the time. So I'll stop this video here, and I'll make another video. So if I get 100 views in this video, that video will be uploaded. No matter whether the 100 views is coming or not, I will upload that video. But once the 100 views is done, then I will upload it to publish. Like publish to public, I will do it after the 100 views only. So what is the plan? That will be the question for everyone. So now the next video will be on Nifty futures again. So completed on till April. So now May, I think we have seen half of the May month is done. So I will do the analysis for the May month, and I will share the content in YouTube. That will be the next video. So hopefully that content will be beneficial for you guys. I hope this content also will be helpful for you all. So if you feel the content is good, kindly give a like, share and subscribe. Please feel free to share this content to your friends and family so that they will also be beneficial. And share your feedback in the comment section. If you want any other stock specific analysis or any other analysis on any particular topic or any other doubts, any other queries, please use the comment section, so that will be helpful. Thanks a lot. Stay tuned for more videos.